In this video I'm going to tell about what are the 5 major topics you have to know about Excel whenever we want to work as a data analyst. The 5 major topics. From the home tab, we are considering conditional formatting as the important thing. Whenever based on the condition we want to highlight the data based on different rules. Conditional formatting, there are different types of rules, highlights, top, bottoms, data bars, colors. These are the important things. The new rules also, new rules, based on the new rules we can highlight the sort and filter the topics. Then from the insert tab, pivot table is a major topic, major things we have to know about the pivot tables. We have to gather the good knowledge about the charts, how to use different types of chart, column, pie, bar, scatter plot, histogram, maps, pivot chart also. Whenever we summarize our data, then we can use pivot charts, slicer, timeline. Those are the major things we are using lots of time as a data analyst. From the formula step, we are using financial, logical, and date and time, lookup. Lots of not like all the things we have to know, but there is specific things we have to know, like more function, statistical function. It's a lots of time we are using from the statistical function. And the thing is that from data tab, sort and filter, advanced filter, then data tools, lots of things, text to column, flash fill, remove duplicates, data validation, most important thing, consolidated data modeling, whatever analysis. There's the major thing, data analysis ToolPak. The most important thing is data analysis ToolPak. Here lots of things we can find out here, like ANOVA, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics, exponential smoothing for forecasting the data, then histogram, moving average, rank, regression, t-test, z-test, most the useful things, useful test, hypothesis testing we are using. We can find out based on the data analysis ToolPak. Okay, so those are the topic. If I consider as a 5 important topic, then I will consider conditional formatting as our first priority, then tables and charts, then important functions like formulas, then financial, logical, statistical functions, then data tab. From the data tab, I will consider as a sort and filter, data tools like different types of text to columns, so and whatever analysis, forecast, and data analysis ToolPak. Okay, so those are the important topics we have to know if you want to work as a data analyst. So Excel is a dynamic program or tools, because lots of professionals they are using Excel for different purpose. So that's why there are lots of things as a data analyst we don't need to know, because we are not using that type of tools or functions as we are segmenting our as a data analyst. Okay, so Excel is using for financial manager, accountant, HR, or different types of profession. So that's why there are lots of things. There are things are for particular purpose also, so we don't need to know. Okay, so whatever I mentioned, those are the important topics. If you want to work as a data analyst, you have to know. So there are lots of online resources you can use for learning. Okay, so if you think these are useful, you can follow this YouTube channel and subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for getting further